Kev G weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? It's April 8th. Good afternoon. And we have some sunshine out there today, and when you're in the sun, it feels very nice, although temperatures are really going to struggle to hit 50, and that is still below normal for this time of year. I think we're gradually moving into a more spring-like pattern, but it's going to be slow. But what I can tell you overall for this week is twofold. Number one, I think our snow chances are done for the year. You can put away the snow shovel for good. And number two, temperatures at nighttime after tonight are really going to not hit the freezing mark. So when you wake up in the morning this week and you're going to work, you're not completely freezing. I mean, last Thursday and Friday, wind chills were in the mid to upper 20s and actual temperatures were in the 30s, but it was windy and chilly. So I think that we'll get a little bit of a reprieve, especially in the morning, and then the afternoons will get warm like they do today with that strong April sun. So we are slowly working our way out of this very long, drawn-out winter that we've had here in 2017, 2018. So on the weather map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, we have high pressure overhead, and that's going to situate itself right over the region for not only today, but also into Monday. So we're just going to get off to a fine start. And basically the week is going to be characterized by a series of weak systems moving near the region, not necessarily fully impacting the region, but near enough where they're going to produce some unsettled periods of weather. So as we get into Tuesday, maybe some showers move through in the morning, so just kind of have the umbrella handy for the morning hours. And then that goes off to our south, but not really a big impact at all. Then another system swings in from the north on Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon, but we get clipped by it. As the main area of shower activity is furthest to the north, we kind of get clipped by it Thursday into Thursday afternoon, and then it goes by. We'll have some windy conditions with that one as well. Friday's fine, and then we wait for this cold front late in the weekend, next Sunday into Sunday night. So while all that's happening, we have a pretty good weekend in store, it looks like, and temperatures are going to be on the warm side. Now, there could be a period of heavy rain next Sunday night into Monday, and that's in response to weather systems moving along that may actually get slowed down as we enter the end of the forecast period as we go into the week of the 16th. Now, if we look at it from the upper air perspective, we see that, at 18,000 feet, which is very important. This is sort of a representation of what's going on with that. We see that system is going by to our north on Friday the 13th. You can see that we have this area of blue that kind of swings itself out, and then fair weather moves in for Friday into the weekend, and that's been well supported by days and days of model runs that have kind of been zeroing in on this Friday period through Monday, and sort of saying, this is going to be a period of pretty decent weather around here. So that's a nice change. But when we go into the long, long range, next Monday, the 16th, it then becomes a model battle, because does the trough from the west kind of move in and set us up for more chillier weather, or do we get just an in and out situation where the chill kind of fades away after next Monday and Tuesday? So that's going to be something that we have to figure out in the long run. But in the meantime, not bad in terms of your overall temperatures, especially at night, where we really could use a break from the chilliest weather. Monday and Tuesday looking fairly good with temperatures near 50, and then we make a run at 70, believe it or not, on Friday. That looks like your best bet. Saturday doesn't look all that bad either, but then Sunday and Monday we go back into the 50s with clouds and rain. So overall, slowly getting better as we move deeper and deeper into spring.